In this video, I'm gonna make my drop bar time trial bike even better. My name is Neyfi Del Rosario and I am a holistic nutritionist here in New York City. And in this channel, I discuss everything about nutrition, fitness, and exercise that'll help you melt that fat off. And if you're into that, please consider subscribing. So a little bit over a year ago, I put together this bike, right? And as you can see, it's missing a couple of things. So because I was doing maintenance this time, I decided that it would be a good idea to upgrade a couple of things and make things better. And I know you're gonna like this. Something I did off camera was the headset. So I took it apart and I make sure it was good. I put new grease. I did the same thing with the bottom bracket, right? All of the things and parts and tools that I use are from Amazon and they're gonna be linked down in the description. And if you use any of those links, they're gonna help the channel. So let me show you some of the parts which are really cool that I'm gonna put in this bike right now. So I have a couple big boxes worth of parts here. So let's get started on the things that I'm gonna use. So obviously I use a Sensor Empire Pro, which is 12 speed. So I got a nice 12 speed chain. The last chain I was using was 11 speed. So this is gonna be a better upgrade for shifting, right? And then speaking of shifting, I got some good shifting cable. Yes, I used Jaguar last time, but the one I used last time was kind of generic. It was like the regular one. So this one's gonna give me a better improvement in shifting, right? And this is the shifting cable, so you need the braking cable because brakes are really important. So here's a brake cable. Speaking of braking, I got 2 sets of switch stop brake pads. Why? Because switch stop is really cool. I like the yellow look and they're probably gonna help me out stop it. I also got some bar tape. This is silicone. I wanted to try out silicone because it's something different I never tried before. I always go for the cork, but I wanted something different. And you know, I want to do maintenance that is gonna last me at least 2 years before I do another video like this. And I got a long derailleur hanger. The derailleur hanger I got was a little bit too short for 1132, so it'll take a little bit of time for it to shift to the 32nd gear or the 32th gear. So this being a little bit longer is gonna help me shift, and all of this is gonna help me shift if you didn't notice. And speaking of shifting, I have something very cool I want to show you guys. You guys remember how my shifters got a little bit torn up because I fall and I decided to get new ones? Not only I got new ones, but this is really cool. Can you guess what it is? Not really? Let me show you. I'm putting this big jockey wheel. I'm putting an oversized pulley on it. This one doesn't spin as much. I think this one's a regular bearing, but this one is a ceramic bearing, obviously. It spins a lot. And you know, this is a Sensor Empire Pro. And I got an upgraded version, and I'm gonna link down the description because I got it on Amazon. You can get it on AliExpress for like $10 cheaper, but Amazon's convenient. If something goes wrong, they gave me a 2-year warranty on it, so it's really good. Look how cool that looks. Ah man, I wish I had a cassette in this color. But that's a lot of talking. Let's get into building the bike. So the first thing I like to do when I'm doing maintenance is the brakes. Brakes are done. Pretty good. Here is the final result, you guys. I am so sorry I was not able to capture all the footage that I wanted. Life has been a little bit crazy lately. That's why I haven't posted videos on this Tuesday and also waiting for parts. As you can see, I don't have an oval chainring anymore. I have 2 chain rings like before. So the oversized pulley does not like oval chain rings and it does not like 1x setups, right? But when you get to the higher gears and you are like in the front, this big pulley side grinds you on the chain, right? And if it grinds on the chain, it's gonna wear out and then it's gonna wear out the pulley. So it doesn't really like that. It doesn't really like having a 1x setup. So I was gonna afford to put front derailleur, and as you can see, that is not the Sensor front derailleur. That is a 105 front derailleur. because the sensor from the derailleur, it has very high tension, and that's probably why some of the first Sensor Empire Pro or Sensor Empire shifters broke, because the tension is so high. The tension on this one is really low. It works even better than the Sensor Empire from the derailleur. As you can see, I have the yellow brake pads on all the sides, and I have red tape. I've been liking the red color lately, even though blue is my favorite color, and I got the blue right here. Look how nice this rear derailleur looks. It's really cool. Carbon fiber, it's huge, it's 19 teeth. If you guys want to come with me outside with this bike, I want you guys to leave a like and subscribe so I can afford a little GoPro that I can go outside with, and I can take you guys in bike rides and drop some people, because this thing is gonna be really fast, even faster than before, because this is a 42 teeth and I think this one is a 53. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so I can make more videos like this to inspire you to become the healthiest version of yourself using the power of nutrition. And if you want to learn something new, there's 2 videos on the screen where you can continue right now. I love every single one of you.